Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study Science NCERT for UPSC. To start, thoroughly understand the UPSC syllabus to pinpoint relevant topics. Begin your journey with Class 6 to 10 NCERT textbooks, building a strong foundational understanding. Pay special attention to biology and environmental science chapters, as these often carry significant weight in the examination. This structured approach ensures you cover essential material efficiently. For effective learning, read each chapter at least 2 or 3 times to ensure better retention of information. As you read, create concise notes, focusing on key concepts, definitions, and important facts. This active note-taking process aids memory. Additionally, regularly solve previous year's questions to understand the exam pattern and identify frequently asked topics. This practice is crucial for targeted preparation. Once you have a solid foundation, supplement your studies with Class 11 and 12 NCERT for specific subjects like chemistry or physics, if required by the syllabus. Crucially, connect science concepts to current affairs to develop a broader, more integrated understanding. Consistent revision of your notes and regular practice with mock tests are indispensable for solidifying your knowledge and improving your performance. To maximize your success, maintain unwavering consistency in your study schedule. Prioritize conceptual clarity over mere rote memorization, ensuring you truly understand the underlying principles. This approach will help you tackle complex questions. Remember, a well-organized study environment also contributes to focus. And speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to help keep your space tidy while you study.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.